Thank you for getting here early. Hope you like the Sherlocks. You're going to love Shed 7. We're going to leave you with a dream, a prayer, and our sort of anthem. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. Everyone seems to know the score. They've seen it all before. They just know, they're so sure that England's gonna throw it away, gonna blow it away. But I know they can play, 'cause I remember 3 lines on the shirt and Jules with rings still bleeding. All these years of hurt, and they can never stop me dreaming. So many jokes, so many sneers, but all goes oh so clear when you're down through the years. Hey, I still see that tackle by Moore, and when Lineker scored, Bobby belting the ball, and I'll be dancing 3 lines on his shirt. The jewels that they still gleaming, all those years of words, they can never stop me dreaming. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. It's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. With 3 lines on the shirt and Jules with me still bleeding. All these years of hurt, they can never stop me dreaming. 3 lines on the shirt, Jules with me still gleaming. After all these years her. They can never stop us dreaming. It's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming home, it's coming, football's coming home. Sunday. See you later, thank you very much.